Hey everyone, welcome to another cooking episode of Uzom's Kitchen. My name is Uzo and welcome. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how I make literally the best beans you did ever have. Yes, I mean it. And I know beans is something you might actually not really like, but before you finally shut the door, lock it and throw away the keys to ever loving beans, please watch this video and actually try the recipe. I promise you would love it. So let's get started, guys. Please check the description box for the list of all the ingredients that was used. Now in this pepper mix is our TATASHE, our habanero pepper aka RODO, and some onion. I give this a very good blend. Notice the consistency of the pepper mix. It is not very smooth, it's quite rough. This is what you want. If you like it smooth, well, it's fine also, but this is the exact consistency I love to work with. Now let's just hop into the cooking straight away. And in my Dutch oven, I'll pour in my beans. I'm using the honey beans for this cooking. You can actually use whichever one you have. I'll pour in some water and let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I rinse it off and I continue the cooking. Now this is 10 minutes later and it's ready to be rinsed off. Now the beans is washed and ready to be cooked. I'll be going in with my beef stock. This beef stock is very rich and I added some yellow pepper while cooking it. Now go in with your already blended onion. This part is so important. Please add your onion at this point and let the onion cook together with the beans and the beef stock. Go in with some salt and give this a very good stir to combine all the ingredients together. Also add some water and allow the beans to cook properly. While we wait for the beans to cook, we go ahead to prepare the base, and in the work is our palm oil. Add your pepper mix and give this a very good stir to combine, marry all the ingredients together. Add in your bouillon cube, your salt. Remember you added salt to the beans already, so be careful here. Also add in your crayfish. Give this a very good stir, combine everything, let it marry and cover to cook properly. This part is so important. And as you're watching, please remember to hit the subscribe button to officially join the Uzom's Kitchen family. Kindly like our videos, share and comment. We absolutely love to hear from you. And my beans is ready. This is exactly the way I love my beans to be. So we go straight to mixing and marrying all the ingredients, all those flavors together. At this point, all we need to do is add the beans to the base that is already cooked. That is our pepper mix sauce. So now we just pour in the beans and give this a very good stir. Keep turning, keep stirring to combine everything together. Just keep stirring, and remember, as you're stirring, the beans is still cooking, so you can actually go right ahead to turn off your heat at this point. Guys, look how beautiful, look how lush, just look how beautiful. Can beans ever look this beautiful? It tastes super good, and we'll go right ahead to serve this beautiful beans meal. Now we've fried up some dodo and some sweet potato. Which would you be going for? Let me get your comments in the comment section. And now I will have a taste of this meal for you guys, and I promise you it tastes, oh god, super delish. You should try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, remember to drop your comments and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.